Hey everybody, another update on Dune. He currently has kennel cough. Apparently you can pick it up at a dog park. And I live about a block away from a dog park, so we're there all the time. So it was just a matter of time before he caught it. He still has lots of energy, drinking tons of water. His appetite has severely gone down, but he's still eating a little bit every day. So I'm just going to monitor him and see what happens. I don't remember if I said, but bought him this nice little collar. I love the color of it. It's one of my favorite colors. So, he'll play fetch, but he's still not big into the ball. Like I said, he'll play it once in a while, but he's still not really big into it. I guess there you go. Kind of cough. Y'all have a good day. Good day.